Alright, this is how you can check the SPY ETF historical data chart completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Go to Yahoo Finance, go to the top left hand screen and click historical data, which is below community and above profile. And as you can see the open, you can see the close, you can see the volume. You can even download this on the top right hand screen of this, or the SPY 500 ETF completely for free. The second website is investing.com. As you can see the price, you can see the open, the close, the time frame, the daily, the weekly, as far as the percent change right here. And you can even download the website or the data points completely for free. The next website's my favorite because you can see a 31-year stock price history of the SPY is macrotrends.com. You scroll down, you can see this has been around since 1993 and it's still going pretty strong. And you can even see the yearly change for the SPY or the S&P 500, which I like the yearly changes in my opinion. It goes all the way back until 94. I'll leave all links down in the video description. Catch you in the next one. Subscribe, like the video, and share.